Welcome to Nepal Online School channel, the biggest online education platform of Nepal. Along with the academic learning, we also work to enhance the inner core of the student or people who are engaged with us, because this inner preparation will lead us to have the academic learning in better way. And the meditation is one such way which will help the learner to have the concentration, to engage themselves properly, and to progress in their learning. So the simplest of the meditation technique we will explore today, in that you just have to sit comfortably. Fix your gaze on something ahead or on the ground. After some time of fixing your gaze, you get your attention towards your breathing. Simply sensing the air coming inside and the air going outside. And after watching the breath couple of times, you would sense the environment changing. The moment you felt this change, you close your eyes, get your attention on the heart, and feel the rhythmic inhalation and exhalation there. Just stay there for a while. Don't try to control your thinking of now. You just have attention at the heart and the rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. Don't do more or don't do less than this. After staying there for some minutes, you could sense peace or inner rest. Then you can withdraw your attention from the heart and you can put your attention around the head, and with the rhythm of the breath, you can sense this peace or rest spreading down towards the neck, hands, trunk and legs. Just absorb it for a while. after feeling the harmony inside, you just feel head, neck, right hand, left hand, chest, abdominal organs, back, spine, right leg and the left leg. And then after a deep breath in, while exhaling, you can open up your eyes. Now this is one very simple method of meditation. It can be done multiple times during the whole day. In the beginning, we should not set the big targets. Rather, we should work with a smaller target of 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Doing it in the morning, in the afternoon, evening, at night. And then slowly, this definitely will bring some changes in the state of the mind and in the way you carry your day. And then slowly, with the confidence coming in that this meditation is doing some change in me, with some guidance, then you can extend the duration of the practice. And understand this very deeply, that this process of meditation is the highest possible science of knowing the mind and the life, and you need a guidance to go through the path of meditation. Nepal Online School is always engaged in letting people know the knowledge of the scriptures and of the great people who had lived this planet and who came with the right knowledge to understand the human life and its value. And meditation is for sure the highest path, but it is not that you just engage yourself with meditation. Along with the meditation, you need to carry the responsibility with which you live your life, because you have got this life for some purpose. And then slowly, let the meditation manifest what things are hiding inside you, or what is the fate of your life. So with these words, we'll end over here. Thank you so much. Keep the subscription with us at all the possible social channels available: the Viber, the WhatsApp, the YouTube, and many other associates of the online platform. We are here to help anyone who is needy. Thank you so much for being with us. Bye bye.